Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to listen email in Gmail. Friends, instead of reading your received emails, if you want to listen the email, then you simply need to open your Gmail app. Now here you need to open the email which you want to listen. Now here in your email you need to long press on any word. Now you need to press on select all. Now your complete email is selected. Now you need to press on the three dots. Now here you need to press on read aloud.
Dear customer support, I hope this message finds you well. I am writing to request assistance regarding a recent purchase I made on the 13th of June 2020.
Now friends, as you have seen, you can very easily listen a received email in Gmail. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.